Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to today. And today in the mail I received my Boxycharm Premium box. I'm so excited for this one. This is their second box. It started, I think November 2019 was their first box, and this is the December 2019 Boxy Premium. And just real fast, Boxy Premium is $35 a month. They state 6 to 7 full-size beauty products with a value of $175. And they state that you get to customize one item each month. I did not get any email or any notification for customization for this box, nor my Boxyluxe. And normally you get to pick items. I have seen a lot of people asking that on Instagram, and Boxycharm's answer seems to be, well, the choice is closed. Well, we know that because we didn't get to pick. I don't know what the issue was that Boxycharm didn't send out either emails or notifications that it was time to pick our products, and that's a little concerning to me, that if they state we're able to customize, then give us the customization. Don't, we usually get an email that it's time to pick. And I didn't see anything. And I also didn't see anything on Facebook or Instagram stating that anything was open. I mean, I follow them on Twitter, everywhere. I go to Boxycharm all the time. I didn't see anything that it was time to make our choices. So I'm a little upset about that. So once again, this is the size of the box. And it is, a decently, large box. And when you open it up, it is like, I guess, a blue-gray on the inside. This card's going to fall if I tilt it too far. Boxycharm Premium. And I guess the Boxycharm theme is Whimsy. I have variation 31. Does give you the products with pricing. And you can see the bottom corner there. I have variation 31 right there. Okay. So we'll need that for pricing. I mean, it's packaged very, very well. The top item is in nice big bubble, which is nice. And this looks like a palette. And this is from Dose of Color. And this is Hidden Treasure palette. Right there. And this has a value of $50. Wow, that's a lot of money for a palette. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty. Good for 12 months, which is nice. Oh, that's pretty. Does have one of the protective shields on it. And I am going to just block the mirror so that I don't like to snap back my palettes. So this is what the color story looks like. Very pretty. There are 1, 2, 3, like your neutrals that are mattes, and then black, which is a matte, and the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are like shimmer shades. Very, very pretty. I might actually keep that palette. I'm going to, like I always do, I'm going to check my current palettes. I probably have something very similar to this, but I will still check because, if I have all those tones and other palettes, then I will include that in a giveaway. 10 eyeshadows and $50. That's a lot of money for a palette that does not have, that is not larger pan sizes and things like that. So the next thing on my card is, I guess this is from Glow Recipe, and this is Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this says for oily to combo skin, and that is a massive size box. Value of $39. Vitamins and amino acids, acid-rich watermelon extract, plumping hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanicals like peony and jasmine extracts. This cooling gel emulsion absorbs instantly to seal in hydration and prep skin for the day. Well, that's nice. And this is sealed. Both ends sealed. Let me see if I can get it with my nail. No, I need scissors. Keep on saying I'm going to always have my scissors out, and then I never do it. So let's cut the tape on this and see what this looks like on the inside. Very, very nice packaging. I love watermelon. Let's see. Also, you can see the packaging is very Very nice. Wow. I mean, the whole box on the inside, I don't know if you guys can see that, is all watermelon. Nice. I don't know why I just smelled that. I assumed it would smell like watermelon. And this is a glass jar. So this is what it looks like right here. I mean, this is really pretty. Beveled. And this is, let me see if it tells me my ounces. I mean, this is definitely 60 ml or 12, no, not 12. That's a slash. 2.03 fluid ounces. Yeah, 2 ounces. I mean, that's nice. Let's see. It has a seal on it. Oh, it's like, here's your applicator. Oh, that smells like watermelon. Very, very beautiful packaging. And $39 for the price. So that's a nice product to get. I'm impressed with that. Let's get that back in there. Nicely packaged, I guess, because it is glass. So that is, I'm excited to get that too. $39. The next thing on the paper is from Kat Von D, and this is her cake pencil. This is her eyeliner, and the color is Trooper Black. Here, let me show you the packaging here. Kat Von D's products are generally very, very good and highly pigmented. And my niece, my younger niece, is very pale skinned, and Kat Von D is the only foundation that she can use. She has tried so many others. I hope that focuses. So I'll save that for her. I can let you see what it looks like on the inside, but I probably will let her have this. So this is what, yeah. So this is what the pencil looks like. Not like super duper large, but she loves Kat Von D. I would love to get Kat Von D PR for her. She has tried probably almost every foundation that's out there, and they're still not light enough, but Kat Von D is the only one that has a light enough shade so that it does not make her, you know, even if she tries the lightest shade, let's say of like a Maybelline, it's too yellowy or the undertones are not right. I mean, she is pale, pale, pale. And that has a value of $19, the cake pencil liner. And the next thing I am super excited about, and this is from Laneige, and this is eye sleeping mask, and this is for all skin types. Big, big box. Value of $34, and this is a real eye opener. The first ever leave-on eye mask deeply hydrates through the night while depuffing and soothing fatigued eyes with a cooling ceramic massage tool for a vitalized appearance. Okay, let's open this up. I'm excited about this. Laneige is a very, very nice brand. And this is what the packaging looks like when you open it, right here. So then it has, I guess this is the, let me see what this feels like. So this is not like a doe foot applicator. This has, you know, it's more like a plasticky little roller ball there. So I guess once you open the bottle, let's see if we can get this out of here. Probably not. And this is a glass bottle. It's hard to get out. Oh no, I can get it out. Let's see. Oof. So here that is, and I guess you take off the top, and it has a seal on it, which I don't care. I will break the seal. Oh, that smells nice. And then you would just put the applicator in, and then you could seal it up, or, you know, I guess if you wanted to travel, but either one would work well. So there is that. Going to be hard to see probably because it's so light. And then it gives you the applicator. And Laneige is a very, very expensive brand. It's supposed to work very well. And I'm excited to get that. I've tried I think one other product from Laneige. Not really sure. Might have been a moisturizer or something like that. Loved it. So I'm excited to get an eye sleeping mask, especially one that you can, you know, put on and leave on overnight. Helps to soothe and maintain deep hydration while you sleep. Well, okay, I'll take that. We all need hydration. I don't care what age we are. That was $34 if I didn't say. Okay, I don't want you to fall over. The next item is from SkinFix. And this is Dermatitis Face Balm. This is a value of $28. And this says, this concentrated balm comes to the rescue to treat dermatitis, eczema, and dry patches on your gorgeous face. leaving irritated skin soothed, restored, and protected. Works quickly to calm and reactions to makeup, you know, all that fragrance, skincare, and all that stuff. I mean, I don't have that kind of stuff, but I mean, I might be able to give that to someone. I mean, that is 0.48. I don't necessarily think this is a full-sized product. I will look it up, but this to me looks like a sample, a deluxe sample size. And if we're supposed to get 6 to 7 full-size products, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this would make 6 products. I don't believe that's full size, but like I said, I will look that up, because if it's not, shame on Boxy for doing that to us. If it is, that's fine too. And the last product in here is, you know, bubble wrap. So they're, you know, they're usually pretty good with packaging. Check this out. And this is from Basic Beauty. And this is Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. And this has a value of $30. Let's open this up and see what this is. Looks like a palette in here. Packaging is the same. Does have a mirror. So we'll just pull off that. And this is what the products look like. And the shades are No Spray Tans, Fiji, and Barbie Dream House. So there they are right there. Show you again. I'm not going to pull the covering up. Probably not something that I would use, so I'll be more than happy to share that with one of you in a giveaway. And let's see what this says. This is anything special. Multi-use highlight designed to be worn over makeup for a blinding, light-catching glow. You know, your normal spots. It says it's the jelly texture is perfect for precise application. It applies wet and dries down, holding the pigment in place. So that's nice. $30. That's for 3 pans. That's kind of expensive, I think, but still wonderful. So I think we got some really nice products in the premium for this month. You know, I'm happy to check the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. Extremely happy with the Laneige Eye Sleeping Mask. Love. The palette I will check, but if I keep that, that'll be nice. This I'm going to check to see if this is a sample size, because I don't know. And then the highlighter. So they are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in the Boxy Premium with the theme of Whimsy for December 2019. I definitely think it's worth the $35. I don't know what the total for the box is. 90, 10, 40, 180. So we're talking about a little bit over $200 if you add up all the prices that they have on the items. So it's definitely worth, the value is definitely there. Like I said, my concern is this. Are they trying to sneak in a deluxe? I am sure this is not a full size. And if it is, that's a disgrace for $28 for that little tiny thing. Now I know it is a balm, a face balm, but still I would assume that would be a larger tube. I will let you know when I look it up, and when I have pictures of these products, I will state whether if it's full size or not. But I'm excited for this box. I mean, I think we got some really great products. And, you know, the Laneige right there, for me personally, at $34 makes my box. I love the Glow Recipe, the watermelon moisturizer. That's a bonus. And, you know, who doesn't want another palette? We don't need them unless you don't have any collections. I have, you know, 3 drawers worth of palettes, but it's always exciting to get something new and then use that for a while. Or if I have all those combinations in palettes, then I will share that in a giveaway. I will definitely be giving the highlighter away. I'm not really big on highlighters. I have 1 or 2. I have an Ophir and a Laura Geller highlighter that I like, that I generally use, and I don't use all these others like the pinks and some of the darker tones. I don't use those. So I'm more than glad to give that away. And my niece will love the Kat Von D liner. So I think this is a great box. For my first one, I'm so excited. I would have loved to gotten the very first box where they had their complete brush set, but I know I think it's is it add-ons, or I'm trying to think on their site, you can buy the complete set pretty cheap. So I might do that and get the complete set of brushes. I have 2 sets of the double brushes to give away in a giveaway, and then my set that I have. So I might, if I get the full set, trade out the big brushes so that I have 3 sets to give away. So I might do that. I might buy the full set. I think on their site, I think they're selling for $12. Super, super cheap. So, and I think the retail they had listed at $65, which is, I think, a little overpriced for Boxycharm. But so if I buy them, then I will share my set that I have not used and trade them out. So the 2 newer ones that come, I'll put it in the bag and then give away 3 sets. Why not? I like to, those that are maybe one-time deals, I like to get them and collect them. They're pretty nice. I mean, I could wind up using them in the future. But if you have not gotten off of the wait list for Boxy Premium, I think I saw something on Facebook that he's hoping either this month or next month to get everybody off the wait list and get the premiums going so that they're, that people aren't still waiting. I mean, I wish I could have gotten, like I said, the November box, but for the second box that they're putting out, I'm happy with it. Nice box, foam, palettes and padding, bigger bubble wrap like this to protect palettes. So I'm always excited when they package well. Let's try to break, the habit of just throwing things in a bag or a box and then we get damaged product. So a little bit of bubble wrap saves them a lot of headache down the line. But Boxycharm is usually pretty good with that. So I hope you all enjoyed this box. Let me know what you think of Boxy Premium. Do you get it? Are you still on the wait list? Did you get off the wait list? And let me know what you thought about the products that I got. Like I said, variation 31. And I appreciate all you watching. And I hope you all have a great day. And as always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.